When setting up your sticker maker, the first thing that it's going to have us do is actually install the ink cartridge. The ink cartridge looks like this, and it's going to go on the side of the sticker maker. So let's go ahead and install that. All right, on the left side of the device, you'll find a little socket like this, and the ink cartridge should line up perfectly. There we go. Nice and easy. Next up, they are going to have us go ahead and add in some sticker paper because of course we're going to need to be able to print on that sticker paper. It does come with two different sizes, a 4x6, there's 18 sheets in that one. We've also got a 4x7 and 18 sheets in that one as well. So the 4x7 is just a slightly taller sheet. And there's a side-by-side comparison. The top one is the 4x6, the bottom is the 4x7 sheet. So this just has an extra inch on this sheet here. If you flip the printer around, you'll find this panel on the back, and that is where the sticker paper is going to go. Specifically this slot up here at the top. I think we can pull this out, and then we're going to open it up and add our paper in. Let's see, how does this open? It's actually taped up right now, so let me remove the tape first. All right, and now it opens pretty easily, and you can see we've got two sizes again to choose from, the 4x6 or 4x7. So those are basically your two options. I'm going to set this to the 4x7 by adjusting it all the way this way. Actually, sorry, we're going to actually push this down. See how many sheets we can fit in here. Try and do like 5. I think we can fit more than that. Let's put like 10 in there. All right, then we're going to close this down, put it back into the sticker maker. And just like that, we've got our printer filled with sticker paper. So now we just need to basically connect this to the app. And when you first plug it in and power it on, it is going to do some calibration. You'll hear some noises. And so, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and print some stickers. But first we need to connect to the machine. I think I'm gonna do this through my phone, but let's see. And the setup was actually really easy. I just downloaded the Liene app, and basically it connected via the Wi-Fi connection and Bluetooth connection that this device has. So I didn't really have to mess around with it too much. It's actually pretty easy. And it has a bunch of pre-built templates in the app. It even has different things like labels for food, like in your pantry. And of course it has different things for custom printing, like if you wanted to upload your own photos, it has tools for that, of course, as well. What's really cool about this is it claims that it can cut in pretty much any shape. So I'm excited to upload some custom shaped stickers and actually see how it turns out. All right, it's going through the actual printing process. We actually struggled to figure out what we needed to do with this because normally this paper cartridge is up in here, but you actually will remove it, fill it with the size that you're looking for, and then it actually attaches down here at the bottom. So that feeds the paper. You can see it's doing one color at a time. It started with yellow, then it went back and did more like red shades, and I'm assuming it's going back and doing another shade now. So this is real-time speed. We're not slowing it up, or we're not speeding it up, sorry, that's what I meant. It does have a built-in canvas editor basically, so you can take a bunch of pre-existing PNGs, JPEGs, or HEIC images and basically put it onto that canvas. It even lets you do shapes and everything because we were looking to do like circular stickers, and it lets you put in circles, stars, different shapes like that. Looks like it is done. It's gonna come out on the back of the printer. I'm just gonna not touch it because I think it's still doing its thing. The colors are actually turning out really vibrant. They look pretty much just what they looked like on our phone. All right. I think that might be it. Let's see what we got. It looks really good. No, let's see. Can you peel one of these? I guess we don't want to peel these because we're going to actually give these to somebody, but looks like they're already cut and everything.
Yeah, this is the one I was interested in. Yeah, I did a pretty good square.
Oh yeah, there you go.
You can
Awesome.
See, there's the pre-made cuts. Yeah, they're all pre-cut.
Cool. And it's very glossy sticker paper. So yeah, this is awesome. We were able to fit about almost 8, but we got 7 on there, different sizes.
I bet if you did a bunch of squares, you could stack a bunch and you could easily get a dozen in there.
Yeah, for
Depending
sure.
on how big you want these too. So just kind of size comparison.
Yeah.
You know, it's about what, like an inch to 2 inches in size.
Yeah, about 2 inches. Yeah, awesome. So if you guys are looking for a good sticker printer, I think that this one was really easy to use once you figure it out. Now we're going to be printing stickers all the time. It's great gifts for people to throw in, you know, as like little extras. Great for events. If you're trying to label food in your pantry, you know, all your containers and everything like that, you can also use it for that. So kind of like an advanced label maker. The cartridge, the ink cartridge, should last quite a while, but we'll let you know. But it did dry almost immediately, I don't think. Yeah, there's no smudging or anything like that. It did dry almost immediately. So maybe a 60-second print, but overall, I hope you guys enjoy this as much as we do. Have a great day. See you in the next one. Bye.